Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist at the Tech Travel Geeks, and this is the Tech Travel Geeks video on how to take the back off a Nokia 1.3. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. Right then, we recently published our videos on the Nokia 1.3, from the unboxing to the setup to the camera review, and finally our full review of the device, as well as some comparisons with other similarly priced devices, such as the Nokia 2.2 and the Doogee X95. In the comments section, a lot of people asked us how to get the back off the Nokia 1.3. As we said, it's a well-built device, and it feels a lot more solid than previous Nokia devices, less hollow. And there's a bit of a challenge with that. It's more difficult to take that express-on shell off the device. So the way you do that is quite simple. Hold the device with your thumb and middle finger, or thumb and index finger, at the top. Make sure you're making lateral pressure on the device. Once you've done that, put your thumb on the micro USB thing. Don't put your fingernail in too much, but just get a catch with your thumb and pull up. That's the way I do it, and it's the easiest way to do it. So as I said, that's how you take the back off your Nokia 1.3. Make sure you have good lateral pressure at the top of the device without pressing the volume button or any of the buttons, and then put your finger in the micro USB port without going too far in with your fingernail and pull up. So that's the simple way to take the back off the Nokia 1.3. We're going to be following this video up with another one based on comments on our YouTube channel, and that's how to add or remove SIM cards and memory cards from the Nokia 1.3. So keep an eye out on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel, and if you don't already, please do subscribe to us. That will support us. But for now, thank you for watching, and goodbye.